Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can change the video quality of your recording on your OBS screen recorder. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to change the video quality of your recording on your OBS screen recorder, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your OBS screen recorder. And after opening your OBS, next, I want you to click the settings right here. And once you're on settings, I want you to go to the output section. And after opening your output tab, next, go to the recording section. So here in the recording section, you will now be able to see the recording quality option, which is where you can change your screen recording quality. So just click this to change it. And then you will now be able to see the options for your quality. And reminder guys, the higher your quality, the larger your video file size will be. So just select the one that's best for you. And after selecting, your new video quality will now be set. Though if you still want to improve your recording quality more, then you might consider changing your resolution. So to do that, just go to the video section. And here in the video section, you will now be able to see the resolution option. So just click this to change your resolution. And then just select the resolution that you want. A higher resolution improves video detail and sharpness, contributing to overall better visual quality. However, this will also demand a larger file size, so just select what's best for you. And once you're done selecting the quality and resolution that you want, you can now click Apply to save your changes. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, you have now changed your video quality in OBS screen recorder. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.